Hi, thanks for coming back to on the series for our onboarding. We're going to get into viewing files. So if I just go ahead and open this file for viewing at this point, the assembly, you're going to see, you got the viewer, you can rotate this around. And with, let's just talk about that right away is the navigation tips is the far right hand button here. Left mouse button to rotate. Uh, middle scroll wheel is zoom, right mouse button to pan. And then if you're using a mobile device, index finger to go ahead and rotate, pinch to zoom, two fingers to pan. In the upper left-hand corner, you've got the model objects tree, which is going to give you the list of every instance of every part. You can zoom the fit on a single part. You can go ahead and isolate a part. And of course, you can hide a part or multiple parts. You're also going to see all the version and revision information here in the viewer. And then of course there's the toolbar on the bottom. I'm going to start with measure. You can definitely add the X, Y, and Z for your measurements. So when you're clicking on different areas, you're going to see the X, Y, and Z of your measurements. Measuring diameter is a 3-point, picking on 3 points to make that circle. You could turn on model edges, of course. Section view is very simple, where you can drag your axes to get your section view where you want it, and you can hit to apply that section. You get the home button to get you back to that zoom to fit isometric view. A few other ways of manipulating the view, one a free camera mode, and another one of rotating around an axis. And then the last button here that I haven't talked about yet is the screenshot tool. Just a great tool to take a screenshot of what you have on the screen. It's going to mask the background and give you a download button, which will download the image to exactly where you have your browser set up. When you open that, you take a look. The background is masked real nice. This works perfect for a quick marketing image in case you need that, or a salesperson needs an image for a quote. This is a great way for you to get that to them, or give them a viewer license and they can come in and get it themselves. For the viewer, that's it. Real easy, but a wonderful tool inside our document management system. Thanks for checking out Sibe. And if you got any questions, as always, click on the picture in the bottom right-hand corner, ask your question. It's always live support, and we're happy to help. Thanks for choosing Sibe.